How to send money from Remitly to GCash. So what you're gonna have to do is just log into your Remitly account, and once you're in your dashboard, just press on the send button, which is in the middle options out of pretty much everything here. So press on send. If you're new to sending, you can go ahead and press on a new contact and make sure you're sending in the Philippines, I suppose, since it's one of the available options for GCash. But you can go ahead and check for the others as well if it does work. But once you're there, just go ahead and press on the delivery method and make sure you're choosing the mobile money, since over here the GCash is available. So you can either search for GCash or press on GCash over here, since it's one of the popular options. So press on GCash, and once you have the delivery method, choose your payment method as well. So you can use your debit card, a credit card, or a easy bank transfer. So choose whichever is more better for you. So in our case, we're going for a credit card payment method. So we'll be able to see the flat fee and basically the total fees. So once you have, so make sure you don't forget to put how much you're gonna send, of course. Let's say you change the option over here in the top, it will automatically convert it to whichever country or currency it's going for. So once that's all done, just go ahead and press on continue. You can also apply an offer code if you have one, but press on continue. Next, you're gonna have to put in a recipient name as well. Once that's done, just go ahead and press on continue again, and a recipient phone as well. So put in the number of whoever you're sending it to. Recipient notification. So if you'd like them to text your recipient with transfer updates, you can go ahead and press on yes. If you want it to be somewhat anonymous, you can press on no thanks, but again, depends on you as well. Confirm your payment method, or you can also go ahead and change it over here, depending on you. So add a new card or do an easy bank transfer. So at this point, you're gonna have to put in the details on whichever payment method you chose. So in our case, we're going with the pay with card option. So we're gonna put in the card number of our card that we're gonna use, the expiration date, and then the security code. We can also put in the billing address as well, and basically the name that appears on the card. So it's usually just your name. So once that's all done, you can review the details, and you should be able to send money from Remitly to GCash.